Mr. Verno again with another smart music video for you. So what if you are trying to take your recordings and you can't hear yourself playing because the recording is so loud? You might have seen already how to adjust that volume in some of the other videos, but today I'm going to show you specifically how to take care of that, okay? So your microphone on your computer picks up all of the sound. If your mom is making dinner in the other room and you hear chopping up some food, or you hear that water boiling on the stove or something sizzling, or your baby brother or sister is crying in the background, your microphone's going to hear that. So since the music plays out of the speakers on your computer, it's going to hear that music really loud, probably sometimes even louder than your instrument. So let's go check that out. So I'm going to be a percussionist today. I'm going to go to classwork. My week 3 band assignment's already open for me. So I'm going to scroll down there, SmartMusic to log into. New SmartMusic. I'm going to hit login. I'm going to make sure I'm in my learning classes. You don't have to do that. Remember, your class will show up here. You should only be in one class. I'm going to be a 5th grade flute player, and I'm going to come down here to two for you. That one looks interesting. So I'm going to go down to flutes, and it's going to open. And now you might already be thinking, oh, it's those little sliders that pop up across the top of the screen. You're exactly right. So you have 2 options. You can use the slider, slide it all the way down, because if you've already practiced, you don't need your part anymore. That's just there for you to listen to when you're first learning so you know how it goes. When you're ready to play it and record it and send it to me or Mr. McMasters, you don't need it to play anymore. So you can turn it all the way down. You can also just hit this orange speaker button right here. If there's an X there, that means it's not going to play. So just to be safe, I'm going to do both. Accompaniment, I would not turn that off because it can be kind of tricky to hear where you are in the music if you turn it all the way off. So I'm going to make it go all the way down to about 1/4 of the volume. The metronome, I'm going to keep it right where it is. So here we go. This looks interesting. I'm going to double check. There's no repeat sign at the end. I just start at the beginning and I go. So I'm going to record it and I'm playing, not clapping. If you clap only, then you're going to use this percussive through my microphone. We're not doing that. I'm going to play, test my microphone, and here we go. Wow, in this video, that's my first 100%. It got all of the notes. So could you hear the music very loud? No. Could you hear the metronome clicking? Probably. Let's listen. Oh, that's not my recording. So hey, if you click this, guess what? That's not my recording. It's the record button with the play button. That's my recording. Here's my playing perfect. It didn't start at the beginning since I tried that other one, so I'm going to listen once more. Cool. One more tip before I go. Did you hear how it sounded kind of harsh? That's because I'm sitting so close to my computer. If I back up a little bit, then that's going to help the sound not sound so harsh in the microphone. If you go too far away, then you're going to be too quiet. So don't go too far away. You want to find a sweet spot. You know, we're not listening for if you sound good or not. We're listening for if you are playing the right notes and the right rhythms and to help you out that way. So if it sounds harsh to you, no big deal. If you don't like it, then like I said, back up a little bit and then find a way to make it sound better. So I'm going to go ahead and submit because I don't care that it sounded harsh for today. Not working on that. I'm just making sure I got the right notes. And it's uploaded. All finished. So there's another one for you. Keep making music. Let me know if you have any questions.